Welkom terug, maats. Vandag gaan ons leer oor nommers. Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you in Afrikaans about numbers. That is called nommers. I'm going to show you a number and say the number in Afrikaans, and you have to repeat it after me. Are you ready? Now listen carefully and repeat. 1. That means 1. Now repeat the sentence after me. Dit is 1. Twee. That means 2. Now repeat the sentence after me. Dit is 2. Drie. That is 3. Now repeat the sentence after me. Dit is 3. 4. That is 4. Now repeat after me. Dit is 4. 5. That is 5. Repeat after me. Dit is 5. 6. That is 6. Now repeat the sentence after me. Dit is 6. 7. That is 7. Repeat the sentence after me. Dit is 7. 8. That is 8. Now repeat the sentence after me. Dit is 8. 9. That is 9. Repeat after me. Dit is 9. 10. That is 10. Now repeat the sentence after me. Dit is 10. Well done, everybody. Let us count from 1 to 10 in Afrikaans. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Baie mooi, maats. Well done, everybody. Now let us see if you can count on your own in Afrikaans from 1 to 10. Kom ons tel van 1 tot 10. Baie mooi, maats. Ek is so trots op julle. Well done, everybody. I am so proud of you. Are you ready for another game? I'm going to show you a number and you say what the number is in Afrikaans. Let's go. Ja, dis 1. Wat is die nommer? Baie mooi. Dis 7. Wat is die nommer? Baie mooi, well done. 5. Wat is die nommer? Ja, dit is 3. Wat is die nommer? Well done, 9. Ses is reg. Dit is 4. Well done, everybody. I'm so proud of you. I'm now going to say one number, and you are going to look at all the numbers on the screen and count how many of that number you see on the screen. Are you ready? Here we go. Kyk hoeveel keer sien jy 3. 3. Ja, daar is 3 3's. 5. 'Daar is net een 5. Hoeveel eens is daar? 1. Mooi, daar is 2 eens. Well done, little ones. You did a great job. Baie mooi. Ek is baie trots op julle. Dankie dat julle gekyk het en so mooi saamgewerk het. I hope you learned a lot today. Ek hoop julle het sommer baie lekker geleer vandag. Volgende keer gaan ons 'n ander video wys en dan kan ons weer leer in Afrikaans. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please be safe and listen to Mommy and Daddy and your teacher. Thank you. Take care.